Good morning and welcome to this morning's presentation. My name is Pamela Moore and am the project manager in charge of this large Microsoft Office implementation rollout project for Cool Widgets Incorporated. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss the project status report for the period of June 18th to October 18th, 2018. The current project status for this reporting period is green, signifying that the project is currently on schedule and on track. Before I begin, I'd like to take a moment to give a brief overview of the project and restate the scope statement. Cool Widgets Incorporated has decided to standardize to a business suite, Microsoft Office, for all of its 500 employees starting June 18, 2018. The duration of this training rollout is projected to last for a period of 12 months ending June 18, 2019. There are 5 offices located in 5 different states: California, New York, Tennessee, Montana, and Nevada. There are 200 employees in the corporate office in California and 75 people in each of the 4 other offices. There are a team of 4 course trainers: Sandra, Paulo, Aaron, and Alicia, who will be responsible for developing course and educational materials. The 5th trainer will be outsourced utilizing a portion of the total $200,000 budget for the New York location. So let's get started. I'd like to first begin with a brief overview. I will proceed to discuss elements, events, issues that affect the overall status, accomplished milestones, future or planned milestones, and the Gantt chart for this project. Let's talk about the discuss elements, events, issues that affect the overall status. Elements, events, issues that affect the overall status. Phase 1 is complete. Phase 1 is the initiation phase of the project. Objectives of this project have been identified. The scope, purpose, and deliverables of the project have been outlined. Suitable skilled project team has been appointed. Because Cool Widgets branch in New York is a 2-hour drive north of New York City, our team elected to engage an outside resource to do this training for the company in this branch location. Through the use of the weighted scoring model, the outside source was selected and training of all 5 sites have been adequately conducted. Student surveys were received with few stragglers and analyzed for competency and understanding of the training given. Although it was predetermined that overall the employees had minimal knowledge of the Microsoft Office product, the survey overwhelmingly suggests that the training materials were so easy to follow and user-friendly. The self-help tool that was incorporated within the training educational material was a big hit, and participants found that it was a go-to, and seeking help from the on-site trainer was rarely necessary. Participants responded with a greater level of confidence that initially was predetermined. Training materials developed, distributed, received, and utilized on schedule. Phase 2 is complete. Training plan was executed according to schedule. Venues were identified, scheduled, and training was conducted for each location as per training schedule. Caterers were selected and performed adequately during appropriated training events per location. Phase 3 is the execution phase of the project, in which is currently in progress. Installation of Microsoft Office Suite is being conducted. 3.2 element of the execution plan is to phase out the old system. This consists of converting old system files over to Microsoft Office Suite compatible files and is expected to take 90 days to complete correctly. there may be a potential issue. So in that, we've rated this issue as yellow. New York outside contractor will complete training evolution at location after installation of software and conduct online follow-on question and answer via webinar due to budgetary constraints. The milestone is not missed, just won't be present at location, but will be available through online medium. And again, the yellow status means at risk, milestones missed but date intact. But in this case, the milestone will not be missed at all, and the medium will be available through an online platform. Accomplished milestones. Accomplished milestones would include training materials that were developed, distributed, received, and utilized on schedule. Also, the training plan was executed according to schedule. Venues were identified, scheduled, and training was conducted for each location as per training scheduled. Caterers were selected and performed adequately during appropriated training events per location. Future or planned milestones. Milestones for the second quarter is to complete the phase-out of the old system to include conversion of files compliant and compatible with Microsoft Office Suite. Developer trainers will remain on-site or available throughout transition, with the exception of the New York outside contractor, which will complete training evolution at location after installation of software and conduct online follow-on question and answer via webinar due to budgetary constraints. Again, milestone is not missed. This contractor will just not be present at location, but will be available through online medium. And again, our training team will be gearing up for phase 4, which would be the monitoring and controlling the Microsoft Office implementation rollout project. For this slide, the Gantt chart is being displayed, and the Gantt chart shown illustrates the project schedule during the reporting period, displaying the start and finish dates of the terminal elements and summary elements of the project. Terminal elements and summary elements comprise the work breakdown structure of the project to include timeline and resources. In summary, Phase 1 and 2 of the project plan has been successfully completed. Phase 3 of the project plan is in process. This phase involves the installation of Microsoft Office Suite. The handouts created, assembled, distributed for the 2-week scheduled training in Phase 2 will be maintained for reference for all employees to assist in the conversion implementation of the new software. The same developer trainer who conducted the initial training of employees at their respective assigned locations will be available for training support and address any questions or concerns that an employee might have, again with the exception of the New York outside contractor who will be available via webinar, online chat, or scheduled appointment via phone call. Every developer trainer will remain on location, with the exception of the New York contractor, for a period of 2 weeks for continued support. Again, my name is Pamela Moore and am the project manager for the Microsoft Office implementation rollout for Cool Widgets Incorporated. My number is listed on the brochure or email, and you are welcomed and encouraged to contact me should you have any questions or concerns. Thank you, and this concludes the presentation.